What's she doing?
It's hard.
What's she doing?
It's cookies.
She's eating cookies? Is she hungry?
It's bad. It wipes.
Yeah. Careful.
The top.
Oh, don't push. Stop. Are you hungry, Ponyo?
I'm hungry, but no.
Hey! Hey! Be careful. Stop. Adrian.
Stop. Bye.
Say bye-bye, Ponyo.
Bye-bye, Pano.
Say love you.
Pano.
Love you, Ponyo.
Pano. No.
Okay, you can stay there. Is it your fish?
No.
That's not your fish. Is that Mama's fish?
Mama's fish.
No, it's Adrian's fish.
The Asian fish.
Yeah.
The Asian fish. The Asian fish.
Yeah, did you see a pineapple?
The apple.
Yeah.
The bear.
It's a pineapple house.
The house.
Does it have a roof?
No broken.
Nope, it's not broken.
No.
Is Ponyo eating?
No eating. No. Eating. A book. Up. He put a chair.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Do you want to put the chair back?
No. No.
Adrian.
Donuts. Cover.
Adrian.
Cover.
Okay, go sit at the table.